How do you zoom in? Oh, there. Look at it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. So just dirty. What are you doing? Having fun outside? Is everyone having fun outside? There's only 3 of you. What are you doing? Oh, you're eating grass. Oh, wait, stop it. Wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you splashing? Wait, where you guys go? Get there. Is it this way? Are you ready to move? I'm gonna have to make a roar kind of thing so keep the crows out from eating them. Something like that. I always do that. I always make a Godzilla or try to at least. They eat my bird, I eat them. That's the rule. Oh God, so close. Yes! Check my camera. They have a HDMI or whatever those things are called. Whatever. And yep, yes they do, so I'm happy. So yeah, here's one of my birds. I'm only asking that because, you know, what a hot day. Look at the sun. Where's the sun? Where's the sun? Oh, there's the sun. There's the sun. Look at the sun glare. Ah, my eyes. There you are. There's these birdies. 1, 2. Okay, here's blue. Here's he's like waiting for him to say anything. Okay, here's Kiwi and here's Goldie right here. Blue or no, not blue. Sky or Skylar, whatever. I like him called Skylar. I just like that name. Skylar, Kiwi, and Goldie. Okay, here's my birdies. We're gonna end you off with yellow. Yellow. That's my house right there. It's yellow. It's yellow. Be careful. Neighbor watch. Neighbor watch. Neighbor watch program in force. If I don't call my police, my neighbor will. That's actually what it says. If I don't call the police, my neighbor will eat me. Okay, see you guys with the sun! Or is that the sun? No, whatever. See you guys later.